So what is Adobe InDesign? Adobe InDesign is the industry standard publishing application for print publications, interactive PDF documents, digital magazines, and electronic publications. Print designers use InDesign for creating rich typographic layouts using InDesign's powerful typesetting tools. Assembling photos and artwork into their designs quickly and easily. They are allowed to create styles, which allow them to instantly change the look and feel of their document, packaging and pre-fighting, and their files for commercial print in a quick and organized manner. Interactive designers use InDesign for creating rich interactive documents with audio, video, and HTML content, adding slideshows to their digital publications to showcase multiple images, building interactive PDF forms to collect data from customers, and delivering digital publications to a wide variety of tablet and mobile devices. In addition to this, InDesign also gives publishers the ability to quickly convert their ordinary documents into digital formats. For example, what we're looking over right now is actually the Imagination magazine that the Visual Communications Program Club creates to this day. So going along with that, InDesign also works in tandem with applications like Photoshop and Illustrator to assemble your artwork and photographs into visually engaging documents like these. No matter if you're a print, a web, or even an interactive designer, InDesign allows you to create, assemble, and output your documents to suit your needs. Now that we've gone through that little enjoyable ride of looking over our wonderful PDF magazine, what we're going to do to start this lesson is go down to your dock and click on the Adobe InDesign CC program. On my computer, I have CS6. Don't worry though, this won't affect our lesson in any way, shape, or form. By clicking on so, then you're going to go up to File, New, and hover over Document and left click on Document. By doing so, you will end up getting a new dialog pop-up box. We're just going to change a few settings just to be on the same page. First off, you have this little checkbox called Facing Pages. We're going to end up clicking off of that. The reason why is because Facing Pages is for magazine and book layouts, and since we're doing an interactive PDF document, we're not going to have our stuff laying out left to right. It's going to be more of an up and down approach through pages. So go ahead and click that off. And the next thing I want you to make sure is, for now, let's just stick with page size to letter. With these two things being selected, go ahead and click OK. And by doing so, you'll end up having a new document. Now with the new document popping up, there's two more things I want to show you. First off, you'll notice that up here on the top of my document and to the left side of my document, I do in fact have rulers. Now sometimes when you open up the program, you won't see those rulers. So what you would need to do is go up to View, scroll down to this section right here. Right now mine says Hide Rulers, but that's only because I have the rulers activated already. You'll notice though, if I do click off of Hide Rulers, and I do in fact go back up to View, and go right back down to the same section, it will in fact say Show Rulers. So if you ever need your rulers to show up, and they're not showing up for some reason, this is the solution. Now the second thing I want to show you is this thing called Application Frame. If you go up to Window, and you scroll down to Application Frame, what this will end up doing is it will block out the desktop behind you. I know when I usually work on things, I'm always wondering what my Facebook feed is doing or what's going on in the background through my internet browser. With this little option, it will block out everything by putting all of your items and all of your shelves and sections together. And then all you have to do is hit the maximize button and voila, everything is covered. You can't see anything behind InDesign, the application. That's going to distract you from any type of progression. With that being said, you have now noticed what InDesign is capable of, and you also know how to set up a document. The next section we're going to be talking about is how to apply text and the several different options and tools that come with the text tool.